cut our cookie dough. So we're gonna roll it up. And you're gonna have a little bit of excess here, so what you're gonna do is take your knife and carefully cut it. Make sure it's on, and then we put it on the smaller one, as that is the bottom, and it's going to bake together. Then we take our lid, and we're going to roll this up. Really cool. It's completely edible pint. So we're gonna take this and put it in our preheated oven at 350 degrees for about 10-15 minutes to start. And I went ahead and prepared one a little bit earlier for you guys. So I have our prepared here. We're gonna take it and place it on our tray, and I have some heated caramel. Add it into our pint. Looks really, really good. It's just starting to set a little. Okay. It's almost done. Almost got our caramel layer completely done. Okay. So our caramel is set. Now we are going to take our pint and carefully flip it over. And we have our milk chocolate. And we're going to pour it all over the top of the pint. Just make sure you got a nice coat on there. So all the extra chocolate's gonna drip off, and we are going to use that in a little bit for our next step. So you got the good layer of chocolate on. We're going to carefully take it to the fridge and let the extra chocolate drip off. So we're gonna carefully place this into our fridge and grab your cookie dough, and then we're gonna move on. So we have our edible cookie dough. We're going to make little pieces of it. So grab a little chunk, drop it in the melted milk chocolate. So then we're going to use our fork and kind of roll the chocolate around and go into our crushed Twix. Kind of roll that. We're going to take this one and put it on our plate. And so from here, we're going to take our ice cream. We're going to do a couple of scoops. We have some vanilla bean ice cream. It's a hot summer day, so this is going to be delicious and a great way to cool down once we get everything assembled. So we're ready to assemble our cookie dough Twix ice cream sundae. So we've got our ice cream, our cookie dough bites. I'm going to take a couple of these and drop them in. Take a little bit of ice cream. We'll do 1 scoop in so far. Plop that in. A couple more cookie doughs. Ice cream, you can tell it's hot. It's going to be a very great, refreshing kind of snack. We're going to take our Twix, put it in the side, and last but not least, our lid will go on top. There you have it.